I'd like to get back in time for lunch. I'm starving.
Righto, Stan.
Ollie, look out!
Whoa!
Oh, are you okay, Ollie?
Yes, thanks, Mandy. But what happened?
Oh, I'm sorry. I threw a ball of string and it hit you. It was meant to lure down that cat stuck in the tree.
That's Crockett. Oh, he belongs to Meg, the antique shop owner. She'll be worried sick.
But how do we get him down?
No problem. I'll go and get help. Stan, you can stay here and try to coax him down. Back soon!
Right, come on, Mandy. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Meow. Maybe we better just wait for Ollie. Don't you worry, Meg. Royston will have little Crockett safely down in no time.
Oh, I do hope so.
Oh, that's it. Come on down now. Good little kitty.
You've done it, Royston. Well done.
Ah, yay, me! Royston, the red fire engine, helps his friends as much as he can.
Oh, Crockett!
Sorry, I got a bit excited.
It's okay, Meg. I'll catch him. I promise. Oh, come on, Crockett. I'm not trying to hurt you. Slow down, please. Oh, I'll never be able to do this. I can't climb and jump like a cat.
Ah, but Ollie, to catch a cat, you've only got to think like a cat. Yes?
Yeah. Meow. I'm a cat, and a cat likes chasing mice. No cats here. Goodbye, mice. Meow. I'm a cat, and a cat likes milk. No cats here either. I'm a cat, and a cat likes sleeping.
Ow, Ollie! Have you got my precious little Crockett?
No, Meg, I haven't got Crockett. But since cats love sleeping, I have a good idea where he might be.
Oh.
Where?
There!
Oh, he came home.
Yay!
Shush!
Yay!
Thanks for finding my darling little Crockett, Ollie.
Ah, it was nothing. I just had to think, like a cat. Meow.
Olly the little white man helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the little white man, always around to give a helping hand.
Ah, I love being out in the country at this time of year, Bazza. And it's Halloween tonight, too.
Boring. We should have gone to the beach instead. Sun, sand, sea. It's much more fun. Ollie, what are you doing?
I've never seen this road before.
Oh, you don't want to be going down that road, boys. That shady lane, that is.
Shady Lane? Some say it's haunted by a ghostly rider on an old horse-drawn carriage, but without a horse.
Come on, Jethro, let's leave him be. But don't go down that road, boys.
I dare you to go down there, Ollie.
Hey,
You're not chicken, are you?
Here we go. Right. Beep, beep.
What? Ollie, come back! Wait for me!
This is a really spooky place, eh, Bazza?
I don't know what you mean, Ollie. Not seen anything spooky at all.
You're not frightened, are you, Bazza?
Me? Ah, no way.
Haunted houses, giant bats, witches with their brooms and hats, spiders, webs and rattling bones, a scary monster moans and groans. Ooh, what is that sound? Don't turn around. The scariest place we've ever been, down Shady Lane on Halloween. A shifting shape by ancient trees can leave you shaking at the knees. A shadow grows then disappears. It knows our deepest, darkest fears. Ooh, what is that sound? Don't turn around. The creepiest place we've ever been, down Shady Lane on Halloween. A cauldron full of witches brew, a lonely ghost plays peekaboo. Beware the creatures of the night in jack-o'-lantern candlelight. Ooh, what is that sound? Ooh, don't turn around. The freakiest place we've ever been, down Shady Lane on Halloween. Did you see that?
What?
Well, it looked like a giant pumpkin. It crossed the lane just then.
I saw nothing.
There it goes again! And someone was riding on top of it! Come on, let's go and take a look.
See? Nothing here. There's no such thing as ghosts, really. You must be seeing things. And hearing things. Oh!
No!
Thanks for helping me back there. I think the Ghost Rider would have got me if you hadn't been around.
Here, you ain't been down Shady Lane, have you?
Yes, and saw the Ghost Rider.
On a horseless carriage, just like you said.
Oh yeah, looked like that, did it?
The Ghost Rider! Farmer Dan? Donny?
Hello, you two. Happy Halloween.
Got you both good and proper, didn't we, eh?
See, Ollie, I told you there was no such thing as ghosts, didn't I?
Whoa! It's a ghost, Stan!
Oh, don't worry, Ollie. It's just the mayor.
Oh, really? Oh, phew.
Why, hello, Ollie. You're the first to arrive for the grand unveiling of our new statue.
We are? I didn't even know there was a grand unveiling.
Really? But I made lots of posters so everyone would know about it. But I forgot to put them up. Oh, no one's coming. The day is ruined.
Now, I'm sure it'll be fine. I'll put up some of these posters.
And I'll go and spread the word. What's the statue?
It's a surprise, Ollie.
Oh, great! I love surprises.
So if you want to practice your noisy bike stunts, find somewhere away from people and shops, OK?
Yes, Miss Florette.
Good boys.
Well, now where are we supposed to go? Somewhere with big open spaces, I guess.
Hi, Ronnie. Hi, Donny. Why don't you go and practice in Acorn Park? There's plenty of space. Plus, the mayor's unveiling a brand new statue.
Could be a big audience for our stunts. Let's go!
Well, that was easy. A big unveiling and stunt show down at Acorn Park.
Poor
I don't know what's the matter, Olly, but we got no one to buy our lovely lollies and ice creams.
It's a disaster.
Hey, you might find some customers down at Acorn Park. There's a big statue being unveiled by the mayor.
Stop lying about, Mario. Let's go. Thanks a lot, Olly.
So after putting out that big fire, what we really need is to relax and cool off. It's just too hot.
I know what you're looking for, Royston, and you'll find it at the big statue unveiling in Acorn Park.
Thanks, Olly. What's the statue of?
No one knows. It's a surprise.
Oh, I love a surprise.
Don't worry, Farmer Dan. We'll find someone to pull that milk churn off your head.
Hey, Olly!
Shh. Olly, it's the big statue unveiling.
Thank you all for attending the grand unveiling of our brand new statue. And it's with great pleasure that I present to you...
Me?
Olly, the most helpful little van in town. And I think we can all agree on that, right?
We're practicing stunts, he knew where to go. When we were bored, he gave us a show.
He told us where it's best to sell the lollipops. And when we had to cool down, Olly was tops.
And you made the unveiling a smashing success.
So that's why we say...
Olly is the best.
Olly the Little White fan helps his friends as much as he can. Olly the